box today from Birdies Making Scents. It's my first box of melts from Bridget, and this is a very cute little personalized note. Looks like she added a couple of her holiday melts that are already cured. I let her know what the scents were that I liked because I'm not into bakery, and so as you can see here, it says snack, dessert, and food themed, handmade wax melts. And I'm really not into the foods, but her freaking shapes are so cute that I had to reach out and ask her if she did any specific types of non-food scented. This is information on how to use your wax and some information about how to clean up your wax even. Awesome. All right. Ooh, candy, candy, candy. Cute little packaging. Let's see what's inside. Oh, ain't she nice? She included some cleanup for the wax melts. Very cute. Never gotten that before. Oh, so this is one of my favorite scents I told her about. Avo Bath. I love this scent, and look how big this thing is. Who can chop this? Shimmer. I also told her I like shimmer, non-bakery, shimmery type stuff, because someone had mentioned to me that a lot of the stuff was not shimmery. I'm into each their own, but I like shimmery. All right, what else do we have here? I'll be back. I'm back, and Bridget, let me say, you're so freaking generous. That's all I want to say. I don't want to say anything more of the conversations you and I have had privately, but because of that, I just want to say you're freaking super generous. This one's cute. It's called Feeling Pine, and like she said, it's ready to go because it was poured at 11:22, so I can use these immediately. Very pretty, shimmery, love it, love it. And then we have Zen. Okay. Sweet orange, tangerine zest, cucumber water, hoya leaves, wild ivory, ooh, aloe, violet stem, sandalwood, crushed sage. Okay, and I do like the mixing of colors. That makes for a beautiful melt. We have I Believe in You. Oh, blend of leaves and vanilla bean Noel. Okay. Sounds like it smells awesome. And this is one that she and I discussed, another one when we were talking about the types of scents that I like. I told her Avo Bath, which is that very first skull one, and then Rose Jam, which is another one of my favorites. But the ones with that she's created with my favorite scents, which again was this one, and then the one that I'm about to show you, are all freshly poured. So I'm going to have to wait for them to cure some before I use them. But yeah, it's beautiful. And then this is the last one of the ones that I asked her if she could give me some sense of. This is Honey, I Washed the Kids. Gorgeous, gorgeous. There were two options on this one. One where the ducky was sitting up, sort of floating on the water, and then one where he was sort of like this one, lying on top of the water. And I wanted this one because I've seen wax melts with a ducky floating on top, and so I just wanted to try something different. And freaking Honey, I Washed the Kids. Let me open this guy up. And yes, it smells freaking awesome. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. I had to keep whiffing it. Let me put it right back. And then finally we have this suede and tabic, citrus, fig, bergamot, apple, cedarwood, herbal clove, tobacco, leaves, lavender, jasmine. Oh, that's a lot of stuff in this. Goes on. This was done on, oh, I can use this one more. 8, 9. All right, guys. Again, we had Honey, I Washed the Kids. We had this one here, suede and tobacco. I guess it's tobacco. I don't know. We have the Avo Bath one. Rose Jam. We have the I Believe in You. So cute. Zen. Feeling Pine. Some candies. And then finally, the kindness of including these little cleaner uppers, cotton balls. All right, that's it for Birdies Making Wax, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.